If you want to get successful in just 7 8 days and you want to be so rich, then stop. This thinking of yours will never let you become successful or rich in life. That's the reality. You'll still have those dreams you are having for years, for 7 8 years, and you'll be still be like, why am I not getting successful after doing so much? Where you are not doing, you are not taking actually action. You are just saying, you are just thinking that I'm taking action, and you have to change that mindset. You have to have some patience, some hard work, dedication. You have to see the things from bigger perspective. I mean, my meaning of saying that, see it from the bigger perspective, if you would have followed anything for straight 1 year, you would have become so much successful in that thing, but you did not. You actually did not. You shifted from your interest from this to this and this to that. You did not allow that to improve, to innovate, to have innovative ideas. So today I'm going to tell you straight a roadmap, a plan of 90 days plan. If you will follow, you will 100% be successful on that. 99% we can say. Okay, so let's start with it. First month, let's talk about. First month, 15 days, you have to do the cleaning of your brain. Whatever is negative, the clutter thing is happening here, just clean that out all alone. Do meditation. You can walk, exercise, dance, and just be free. You are not allowed to do any work. Just tell your brain, I'm not going to do anything but getting bored. You have to get bored. You have to feel the boredom. You have to find free time. Because nowadays, what is happening? We use phone a lot for the long whole day. We use a lot of phone, and we still have something back of in our brain that I have to do this work and this work. So at night we feel I have done nothing. I have made no progress towards my goal. Still, I was busy for the whole day because you are thinking about that. So, here we are trying to find the free time for your work. Okay, so get bored. Just try to find that you have a lot of free time. Okay, 15 days the cleaning pattern has done. You cannot consume any data, you cannot watch or TV, phone, just go alone, sit alone. Like I come at my roof, I sit alone and I see the sky. I see around, I see everything happening around. So this is how I find my boredom time, and boredom is really important for creativity. Okay, now the comes the second 15 part of a first month. Now you have to fill your brain with positive thoughts, with excitement, enthusiasm that I can do it. Maybe I can start all over again. Just leave all those pending things which is making your brain burn out, feel the burnout, and don't want to do anything because there's so much of doing. There's so much work, so so we are so overwhelmed by that we are not able to do anything. So now you can say, maybe I can start all over again. I am the best. I can do all the things. I can do anything. God is with me. God is helping me. God is guiding me. I'm in God's hands. So you are putting all the positivity that I can do, and I have started doing. 15 days you have to fill that in your brain, and I can start all over again. I'm doing it right. 15 days has done. Now you are so positive, you have changed the perspective, attitude of your brain. Now, on the second month, is to pick one thing. You have to pick only that one thing you are going to work upon in that particular month. Now, 15 days, find a certain place which is for that particular work only. Like I have my table and chair on the roof. I go and sit there at and perfect timing as well. So I sit there at 4 p.m. Perfect place, a certain place, I mean, particular place, particular timing, and go and sit there. Nothing, you don't have to do anything. Just go and sit there for straight 15 days. Just look around. You can have a pen and paper. If you want to write anything, you can write, but just sit there. You're making your brain addicted to go that place because it is hard to take that first step. And we are treating our brain, we are making our brain adapting this habit of going and sit there. Now the next second 15 months you have to make, you have to write down what you can do in that particular work. Now you're actually working, you're actually taking actions. The first 15 months, whatever ideas came to your brain, you wrote down in your notebook. You can start working upon that. Write, consistently do that. Don't take a break. Do that only for half an hour. Just 15 minutes start and half an hour. Do that continuously. Don't take a break. Break will break the consistency. So do that continuously. Write down. Start to take action towards that. Whatever you know, you are not allowed to take any help from social media. Otherwise, the whole pending things, the social media thing will come up again, which we do not want. And your own opinion, own idea, own creativity will shut down if you will get influenced by the videos you will watch. So here we are trying to take out your authentic side. Third month you have to try to get better in that. Write down first 15 months that what are the things I can do to make it better. Write down any ideas which is coming to your brain. Just write down everything. Try to explain the things. Try to elaborate what you can do for taking action, and take action. This is the time where you have to actually take action. On now last 15 months, you are actually taking action. You are actually making the growth in that thing. You are actually becoming better in that because you have worked a lot on yourself. You have worked a lot on a skill. It has been 90 days. You are gonna kill in that skill. You don't have to work so much now on that. You'll actually have to take action only. Now your brain has addicted and adapted this habit of working on that field. And for sure, if you will keep on working, the third month, the taking action month, you are doing your work, so you are going to get successful in that month. This is the easy roadmap. Pick one thing and follow this thing for that, and every 90 months we can get successful in anything. Like 6 months are complete package. In 6 months we are becoming rich in any field. So try to see it from bigger perspective, bigger picture, and don't be impatient that I want to get successful in 10 to 15 days, which doesn't happen. Thank you so much for watching.